Hey everybody, this week I want to do a video on how to drive with your cell phone. These things are doing a lot of damage and keeping us really busy fixing cars. Every week we hear stories about people who've been in an accident because either they were on a cell phone or somebody else was. So today I'm going to give you two bulletproof ideas that'll make you safe with this thing in the car. The first one is really simple. Turn it off. When you get in the car, turn off the phone. Nothing is that important. Some of you may find this hard to believe, but when I grew up, we went all day long without a phone and everything was just fine. We don't need to answer texts or even phone calls in 10 or 15 seconds that we've gotten them or received them. So turn the phone off when you get in the car. The other thing is if you don't turn it off, simply open your glove box, put your cell phone in the glove box, and close the glove box. If the cell phone goes off while you're going down the road, then leave it in the glove box. When you get to wherever you're going, take it out. I can tell you this will save lives, and it will save you lots of money. I'm going to show you now, down the side of this car, from this front fender, you can see the mirror's been torn off of it. It's hard to see, but there's about $500 worth of damage to this door. The rocker molding is junk. This is a $600 rocker molding. This rear door, as you can see, all needs to be replaced. It got this molding and the door glass, as well as the bottom of the quarter panel. That's called the dog leg. This may not look like much, but this is about $6,000 worth of damage. And that's right, $6,000 worth of damage makes us very happy. One cell phone caused $6,000 worth of damage. The choice is yours. You can leave it on and answer it, or you can turn it off, or you can put it in the glove box. You choose wisely and have a safe week.